Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Our first this evening, fear is gripping students at the University of the West Indies Mona campus this evening following a rise in reports of robberies.
Now, the Student Guild is demanding action from the administration that they say is not responding to their concerns.
Now, we'll have that story later on in the newscast. In the meantime, to this story, 6 times and counting the number of times the same mentally ill man has threatened and attacked students and staff at Retirement Primary School in St. Elizabeth.
On Tuesday, another worker was the victim of yet another violent encounter on the compound.
As Kalisha Williams reports, it is the same man who left the former principal hospitalized for days in 2022.
This is the man who has been wreaking havoc at the Retirement Primary School in St. Elizabeth. This was minutes after he pounced upon his latest victim at the school and was later captured and beaten by residents. Frightened and traumatized, only a few students turned up for school Wednesday morning.
Mr. Andrew Holness, may I beg you, please come put Christopher Ty under control for Retirement Primary School. We are beg you.
After showing us the wounds, the injured man, who is a caretaker at the school, told us the mentally ill man entered the compound with a machete around 2 o'clock yesterday and threatened to kill someone.
I say, Chris, we talked to you already, and we don't want, because last time I come for you, and me see you and beg for you. Him say, Ray, so him push me away. And I say, Chris, how are you depend? You really pass something serious. You wrestle me and I wrestle him draw the cutlass. And cut my finger. Come not even know so I get a cut by my foot neither. After me I know.
It's not the first, second, or third time this same mentally ill man has invaded the compound wielding a machete. Since 2020, he has been here 6 times, hurling threats at students and staff. In fact, in 2022, then principal for the school, Anne-Marie Robinson Terrelong, was hospitalized after being chopped in the head by the same man.
We just welcome we principal. A new principal. Where Christopher Ty turn one fire already and he come back again to turn another one. So what happened? What happened? Eh? What? He have more power more you, Mr. Andrew Wellness? It look like he have more power more you.
The current principal, Leon Chisholm, told TVJ News that students and staff have been traumatized by the incidents, and it appears nothing is being done to address it. Moreover, parents had to accompany their children to school Wednesday morning.
I saw him this morning when I was coming to school. Now, if this person keep doing this, you can imagine the amount of fear and panic that this man continue to generate. And nothing is being done. As soon as he goes to the station, he's back in the community. So whenever this happens, the students are living in fear.
I feel traumatized because even at my home, I'm still traumatized. But knowing it's a school with a certain amount of students. So when that man come over here, may I tell you, say, it take a whole community to control that man.
There have been plans to erect a fence around the school since the former principal was attacked in 2022. However, since then,
there was some issue as it relates to the procurement procedures, and it was pushed back. The procurement was supposed to happen January 16, as I understand it from the building officer. It went through on January 16, and I'll be getting further updates. I haven't gotten any further update so far. Go to the Prime Minister of the country. What is it going to take for the school, Retirement Primary School, to have students in school and the focus is on learning?
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.